Okay, so my afternoon greetings to each and everyone. And then, happy birthday to our golden girl. Happy birthday, Marie. Welcome. Welcome. Welcome to the world of maintenance. Where lotions, turns into rubs, and perfumes to liniments. Okay, so, anyways, I have here something for you to use on weddings, parties, and special occasions. Okay? I choose this one since you're now in your 50s. You'll be in high demand for principal sponsor. So you can use this as you walk down the aisle, holding hands with Michael. I hope you will like this one and treasure this one just the same way you treasure our friendship. Yes. Grabe, mga tiguwang na tamarin. Nagkailat ang duha na makita pang atong edad sa kalendaryo. Karon sa number chart na lang. Okay, so bitaw, on the serious side of my message, I wish you health and happiness. I'm happy for what you are now, what you have become, your achievements, your status and recognitions. Seeing you fulfilled with your dreams is a beautiful sight. May your dreams continue to blossom and may your heart be filled with joy. Here's to a year as wonderful as you are. Happy birthday again. Love you. Okay, so my apology. Laika is not around. She was not informed. Ano ka nag-inom? Okay, so last night, nag-message ko niyo na kauban siya na ako, pero so my apology, wala mag-complete ang imong 18 candles. Okay, so that's all.
Picture, unsa kay sud ani no? Magamit ko no in events, special occasion, birthday, kasal. Kutsara. Nami mo daw kutsara, mo daw kutsara ang ninang. Kung magninang mo kuno ka, makimaritis ko. Toy kita na unsa. Tante. Thank you so much. That's a very beautiful message. Thank you, Ma'am Michelle Zaragoza. The next golden keepsake, we have Ma'am Milagros Batayola. Ano ba si Ma'am Milagros Batayola? Wala pa. Let us have Ma'am Lorna Liano, please. Ma'am Lorna Liano. I am very curious what is inside the blue paper bag. Naka-stapler pa Zoom, di na ako makita. Di malili. Can you give us some clue about the gift?
Okay, magwang tanhoon. Okay, just to share lang gamay. So, among sandanay is Cubs. Kaya nag-parihami year sa Vizca. HA siya, ag-ed ko. So, Cubs kay kababayan. O niya, very refined na yun siya. Mulihok. Nga kaming ag-ed kay best in Daro baya. Anya sila kay di mo taak o lapok. So, dinyor na kini sa kadyo. Oh, yeah. We're friends, I think, more than 30 years. Manilay siya sa akong eldest na 24 na. 24 years old na. Okay, so my gift symbolizes truthfulness and practicality, care and convenience. Ang sa manibi. So, di uso mo puto sa mga anak kay pag-ibugno ng paper bag kay di mo aram. So, this is, kami siya kayo very organized. So, support ko sa game ni Dim. Very organized nga. Limpyo kayo. Maikod ta. So, pag birthday ni Dim, ako sa isukmatan kay pagka-promote niya, ako siya pa-snack ka. Ang ending, siya kong gisindan, siya kong gingan, okay, ra baka pagkado sa picture, wapahaba ni mo ka. Egon siya sa picture na pagsuod niya ganyan, wow, yana ba po kahapon ni 50 na ho? Murag, diva. Grabe kayo entrance, oy. Perfect. Okay, waka ka kita din. Okay. So, kanina si Jais, travel organizer and and document organizer. So very practical, kay mag-travel ta Cubs, magsintag travel. And organize naman dyan si Jack, unaan pa dyan na ito pagka-organize. Okay, happy birthday. Mahod pa ko ninyo ha.
Pero sa mga mag-50, mga pinaka-years lang na ako. Hindi, masama. 2 hours? 2 hours ko na. Very organized ko na. Mas ma-organized pa kung siya akong magamit din. Kasi sula na, cabinet. Siguro cabinet na. The next golden keepsake, let's have Ma'am Perla Corpez. Ma'am Perla Corpez, please. Nindot siya ni mag-birthday ka, no? Kay ma-excite ka kung sa isun sa mga regalo. Kabalo mo kung sa best part sa gift giving, kabalo mo sa dili man jud ang paghatag mismo sa gift. Later on ako i-share ninyo. So tell us something about the gift that you have prepared.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Anamit. Pwede bilal mo message. Kaya nakahilak lagi ko. Basahan na lamang dito sa ahong IPM ra. Ang clue, Ma'am, is this gift symbolizes your strength, resilience, and the many wonderful journeys still ahead in your golden years. Happy birthday.
Minsan sinagtagan mo symbolizes your strength ko na dumbbells. Sundang, ay oo, resilience mo po. Sundang og taming. Ang iyang message ko no, i-PM na nabasahan na ni mo, ma'am. Nabasahan na ni mo. So, for sure, daghan ka ikang mga message. Feeling ko nagbuto-buto ni mong messenger sa kalagang mga message. Thank you so much, Ma'am Perla. Now, let's have Ma'am Rina May Ramos. Ma'am Rina May. Ngano puro man paper bag. Nindot man itong naka-wrap siya, bakit makabaw ka sa shape, sa kabugaton. Pero mga paper bag, lisod ni Leon. So, tell us something about the gift.
Hi ma'am, kita na gadyo kong Angelica de la Cruz in person. Ay, kahinong-dong ka ma'am sa wala pa na, single pa ka. Napati sa nida si Angelica, ngayon sa Alisa, Mama, si ma'am, ano may lagi na? Karoon nakahinong-dong ko, na-achieve similarity. Happy birthday again, ma'am. So, these gifts, ma'am, represent peace and comfort. Reminder nga after a stressful day, kaya ba na sa atong trabaho, nga kagay mga buutan ng mga estudyante, you deserve a rest and at ease. Then, another one, ito namin ikabuo, represent love and protection, bringing a sense of comfort and security. Remember, ma'am, that you are loved. You are surrounded by different someone who loves you. We love you, ma'am. Happy birthday again.
Picture. Love and, love and protection. Feeling ko ang brand na trust. Feeling ba? Love and protection and trust. Peace and comfort. Comforter. Thank you so much, Ma'am Rina May Ramos. Now let's have Ma'am Vilma Apostol. Hello, Ma'am Vilma.
So fucking bad.
And ganahan ko kay na-achoy additional bouquet na gikan sa Lieco 4. Kinapay siga-siga. Siga-siga na diyo.
Smiling next to Oprah and the Queen.
Okay, mayong hapon natong tanan sa mga bisita, relatives ni Ma'am Anamay, sa pamilya ni Ma'am Anamay, sa Sir Carpius, Liti, na Romeo, at sa maigsoon ni Ma'am Anamay. Anamay, Ma'am Anamay is really blessed. And being a master teacher one is a blessing for not only golden edaan na panapal sa blind golden. Now, katong ipang istorya na nila, no? That is very true that Ma'am Anamay is man gihatagon. Kano sa bata nag-start o ganang kailamad nga kining dagapak daga pa si Jack, ako medyo na Jack, mamista mamiad po Jack, magtagsab ka, gusto ako Jack, basta kay, di ko mo kaunugutan, madalihan ako sagutan, kay sabihin kaunugutan, oo Jack, basta kay, basta ba ka nag-start at tumasak ako man, nahin mo siyang ninang sa anak, na very supportive pagkatapos sa Jack inanak, no? Now, salamat sa lahat. Tanan-tanan salamat. Dili lang ang taas-on tanan. Now, this gift, gaano na si Jack, pero this is something that you can put on your treasure. Comfortable ka niya isa. And dili pong usa, tulong mo sa kabuo. Pero gaano na si Jack, then comfortable po siya na anytime na isang ganito. Okay? And again, sus ginoo ko, pagtanaw pala mga ginoo ganina, hala kagwapa, magkadyo-kadyo ni Marsa namin, uy. Okay, thank you so much.
Wow, salamat. Gaan ko nung masudlanan og treasure Sandoval. Sandoval. Kaya, sa tuoy, magsuoton niya, komportable, panty nga sidro. Masundan mo si Inday. Okay na, di mo masundan lang. Diyan na mga ganahan pa ko, no? Ganahan pa. Sinod, atong kaugod, of course, Mr. Michael Bulawan. Sakto na dyan mag-invite si Sir Bulawan. Ano may golden birthday puti room. It would be considered a mortal sin not to invite Sir Bulawan sa 50th birthday celebration. So dapat ang suot mo daan ni Bulawan po. Paperback na ni Bulawan. Sir Michael, what is inside your gift?
My afternoon greetings to everyone. Of course, happy birthday, Mom. I know, indeed, I am 1% on agreement that you are the most beautiful, the prettiest, the most gorgeous, and the most stunning lady at this moment. Once again, congratulations. Way to go, Mom, because you have been successful on your trip around the sun for 50 times. Imagine, for 50 times. And that's what I'm aiming for, I'm wishing for, considering the lifestyle and the mortality rate that we have. So, Mom, thank you so much. You have been good to me for so many years that we have been together as teachers at Tinago National High School. And you know, and I know we look up to you not just a colleague, but as an older sister, right? This pleasure of mine symbolizes all the blessings that you deserve, all the joy and the happiness that you deserve. So again, happy 50th birthday. Keep shining and keep making a difference for our learners, Mom.
Thank you so much, Sir Michael Bulawan. Kailangan ko sa 50 trips around the sun. Kasi kisakyan. Wala sa station. Grabe ko din. Ako ito nag-mortality rate mo rin, Sir Bulawan. Sir Bulawan yung kihapon. Thank you. Now, let's have Ma'am Guadenita Abayhon, please. Ma'am Guadenita Abayhon.
Yeah, have a show like Oprah. I will be the host of
Hello, ma'am.
Christmas. You tell your wishes.
I love this. Small paper bag. Yun pa sila. Great things come in small packages. So what is inside the small paper bag?
I'm happy sa tanan. Happy 50th birthday, Mom and May. I know this celebration is a wish come true. Okay, akong gift mo, Mom, is a representation of individuality and personal identity. It also symbolizes financial success and a reminder of goals and aspirations. Happy birthday, Ma'am. Wishing you happiness, good health, and more years filled with joy and success. God bless.
Thank you so much. That's Ma'am Guadenita Abayhon. Now let's have Ma'am Teresa Luzares. Ma'am Teresa Luzares, please. Maybe mag-Facebook live ka o niya ha, mag-unboxing ka sa tanan ng mga regalo. No? Unboxing ka Facebook live. Pero again, remind lang mo na kung dapat i-turn off mo ang comment section. Kasi na ay mag-mind ba? Kasi nag-mind. Pa-screenshot. Nang what is inside again?
Ayong hapon sa tanan, tagaan palagi ko. Ingon bitaw wali niya ba? Mura mag-akuray na lahi. Malistahan ba lang daan kay course man niya. Kauban eh. Ikaw din na lang kumanto niya. Pero ikaw na ko niya kay Brian Panagod Mea. Wako kahibaw. Kanusaan, nagsugod na among friendship. But I know she's a good friend of mine. Okay, Mama Anami, happy birthday. Di ko magsabay niya akong kuwan o ikip. Around 9, 12. Okay, so may this special day be filled with laughter and all the wonderful things that make you happiest. As you step into this new chapter, may you continue to shine with your grace, strength, and best blessings. Wishing you good health, boundless happiness, and many more beautiful moments to come. Happy birthday! Basta kani, magamit ni mo gadget every day. Every day.
Toothbrush ang suot. Ano? Toothbrush. Gamit everyday toothbrush or sublay. Thank you. Daghang salamat, Ma'am Teresa Rosares. Sunod, let's call Ma'am Ruby Mercurio. Ma'am Ruby Mercurio, I like this. Kay na-joy dimension ang iyang gift. Na-joy shape. So, kung mga estudyante sa mathematics, kindly compute the volume of this gift. Length is equal to, width is equal to, ay, kapag ako sa isod, stone.
Hello. Hi, Ma'am May. So, ROI na po. Ako yun din wrap for you, Ma'am, with bubble wrap para dili siya mabuak. Yes, so as my gift, I offer this wall frames. Sana isulti, Ma'am, ha? Kay para dili masak. Adorned with golden flowers. Meant to be hung on your wall as a reminder of the golden memories you created and the many more to come. The frames symbolize the moments worth cherishing, while the golden flowers represent your strength, wisdom, and the beauty that you bring into the lives of others. May these frames hold images and memories that bring you joy, inspiration, and a sense of fulfillment every time you see them. Wishing you a future as bright and as golden as the years you have already lived. May your days ahead be filled with love, laughter, and the happiness you deserve. Stay young, sexy, healthy, and pretty. Yeah. Happy birthday, Ma.
At least natubag akong pangutana noon sa isod. Kuha na no, glass no, ang iyahang material. Glass nga, wall frame. Naka-bubble wrap pa sila na. Thank you. Thank you so much. And that's Ma'am Ruby Mercurio. Now let's have Ma'am Yvonne Gonzalez, please. Ma'am Yvonne Gonzalez. ROI pala ito, Ma'am. So si Ma'am Ruby, ROI po. Daghana ng ROI, no? That's not. I know first. So tell us something about the gift.
Ikaw na tagna. Ikaw, proud ko na ROI ni Ma'am. First mo sa Tinago National High School, third year ni Adto, Math, PLA, isa man na subject. Ay, anak, Ma'am, ka-bright choice si Ma'am. Pero kalimut ko math or TFA to si Jana. Pero buutan ka, usa sa pinakabuutan nga teacher na hugsaw. Asa pa, karubutan ba siya ako? Okay, sige, may gift ni mo, Ma'am, is tagnaan na lamang naragisaw ang message. Ang basaw ng message ko, makahilak ko, ang sending ko. Rita, happy 50th birthday,
Mami. Your life is like a full cup overflowing with experiences, memories, and the love of those around you. May your next chapter be filled with comfort, contentment, and cherished moments with your loved ones. And may this special day be a beautiful saucer to hold and appreciate all you've accomplished. Like this delicate cup poised on its saucer, may your journey continue graceful and stronger. Happy 50th fabulous birthday, Mami. Ay, sabi, taka.
Okay lang na onsa. Tasa o platito. Nindot nga tasa o platito. May dili na kinahanglan ko tawon. Kay buoy ko mag-iyaha. No, ma'am, di na kinahanglan ko tawon. Kay ang tasa o platito, buoy ko mag-iyaha. Thank you, and that's Mami Yvonne Gonzalez, another ROI of Ma'am Anime. Next, we have Ma'am Jinky Mina Dotorio, please. And another small paper bag. You know what? Small paper bags really excite me. So, good afternoon.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Anami. Kini akong gift para nimo, cute kayo ni pareha nimo. Ang isang asa ka, hindi nimo daladala. Happy birthday, 50th. You have a life full of grace, strength, and kindness. And may your birthday be special as you are. Here's to many more birthday, wonderful years.
Oh, bisag asa ka mo adto pero hindi mo madala-dala. Isa ka na ano?
Cellphone?
Cellphone? Ay, iPhone 15 Pro Max. Bisag iPhone 15 Pro Max. Kuno mo ano eh. Bisag asa ka mo adto madala-dala man iPhone 15. Thank you so much from Jinky Mina Dotorio. Sunod, Ma'am Jocelyn Dotorio, please. Wala sila mga hindang relatives.
As you celebrate another year of life, may health and happiness be yours always. And may the Lord God grant you long and fulfilled life. Once again, happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Jocelyn Dotorio. Thank you. And now, the next Golden Keepsake, atong tawagon, of course, Honorable Rowena Madraso. Ma'am Rowena Madraso, sa kanya ang iyahang regalo. Tag-ano na ko? Gikan ni sa Hugo Pharmacy. Or skincare routine. Beautiful as always na si Ma'am May. So tell us something about that gift, Ma'am May.
Bidawang pag-message ni Ma'am Anaway ba na isa ko sa iyang treasures. Wala ko kabalibad kay tungod siyang kagwa pa sa invitation na picture. Good afternoon, everyone. Today we celebrate not just Ma'am Anaway's 50th years of life, but also the happiness, love, and joy she has shared with us all. You're a true treasure, Ma'am Anaway, and we're grateful for your friendship and presence in our lives. May these golden milestones bring you even more happiness and blessings. Happy 50th birthday. God bless. And kinilin akong gift. Pasensya na ka, Mama. Pero magamit ni mo sa balayog sa school and makuha mo yung happy moments. Thank you.
Picture, magamit sa balayog sa school o during happy moments. Ha? Microphone? Magkatakanta? Pwede na ko na magkanta ka. Thank you so much, Ma'am Weng. Sunod, akong gagawin palihog, Ma'am Elona Rose Oman. Ma'am Elona Rose, please. Oh, I think, dili ni siya Gikan Robinson sa imong regalo. Dili ni Gikan Robinson. Dili. Hello, Elona Rose. Give us a clue about the gift, Elona Rose.
Hi ate, happy birthday. Kani nga akong gift sponsored by Robinsons. So, I never get the chance to say thank you. Si Ate Ana May, second mother ni siya, nag-high school ko sa Tinago National High School. So, na-experience na ako, nakita na ko unsa siya as my auntie nga and as my teacher. Si Ate Ana May is na siya pagka-stricta, but behind that being a strict teacher na iyang care and love sa iyang mga students and usa ko sa mga saksiyan na. And thank you ate sa katong time nga kung dili tungod sa imong pagkastrikta sa ako, asa ka ako karon kay naa ka nagbantay during first year high school until I graduated. Thank you ate and hope all your dreams will come true. Happy birthday, love you.
Picture! Nah, that's so nice. Nindot ano, naimong thank you ni mga, ay tuan, diba, thank you, I love you, salamat sa tanan. Mata sa mata, yung Gibson, yan, thank you ba? Muna, nindoton dyan nga, tagaan ang opportunity at mga loved ones to say thank you and I love you and give you sweet messages. Daghang salamat, Elona Rose Oman. And now, let's have Ma'am Diane Castro, please. Is this Diane or Diane? Diane Castro. Hello, Diane Castro. And that's a very big red paper bag. This really excites me bisag dili na akong birthday. Excited na tayo open yung mga regalo mga Halloween. So tell us something about the gift, Diane.
Happiest golden birthday, Mommy Anami. Friends, but I used to call her Nani. Yeah, so today, on your 50th birthday, I am giving you this treasure na magamit to keep your memories of your journey from the golden years of your life together with your loved ones. So thank you so much for everything. Know that you are one of my inspirations na magkamot mo sila o muhumain para makatabang sa pamilya o makahawa sa kalisod. Yes, and thank you so much sa imong kamayo na mong tanan. Me and my family loves you so much. Thank you.
Kailan ko kung apil ba, may ganit ay na-remind ko nga di ko apil silang pamilya. Di man di ko luway do. Lisod po siguro kung ano may ang imong sundon nga kung ano, model ba, master teacher po dyan. Breadwinner na dyan. Guwapa, sa guwapa, maradali na. Maliit na bagay lang. But now, the next golden keepsake. Oh, my beautiful classmate, Divina L. Malipico. Ilakon na po ni Divina. Hello, Divina. Tell us something about the inside the beautiful paper bag. What you doing? Where you at? Oh, you got
Hello, maayong hapon ka atong tanan. congratulations sa imong mga experience kay para amo kang imong model o mahimo may malampuson sa amo kung unsa mi karon. Once again, happy birthday Manang Ninang and love you.
So sweet! Thank you, Divina! Thank you. Kung saan kayo soda ng Divina? A pink flower. Pink flower. I like that. I like pink flowers. And of course, we have Ma'am Marilo Polistico, please. Ma'am Marilo Polistico.
That tonight's gonna be a good night. 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 That tonight's gonna be a
This gift, this gift symbolizes success and ability. Hindi mo kung may mga level, kung basta magkakabahin mo nakakakakakol. I wish you all the best in life.
It's okay. Even without sinano, when your heart is full, the mouth is left with nothing to say. Mo di pa rin right now. Sister, today mo, ay pareho mo hilakon. Of course, the last keepsake, we have Ma'am Marisa Luego, please. Ma'am Marisa Luego. Clue na lang kasi clue sa suot sa gift. Secret yapon. Kung ano mga sa message, clue na lang. Clue. Tama na. Okay. So I would like to request all the other 18 golden keepsakes to please stand up and then join us here sa Tubangan for one group picture. 18 golden keepsakes, please. Dili ka sa Tubangan for one group picture. Once again, we will be taking a photo of our beautiful celebrator, Ma'am Anime, together with the 18 golden keepsakes. Okay? Usually, sa una, sa mga 18th birthdays, ang mga treasures, kung sa may gamit ang mga treasures nato, no? Kuan, mahimo siya nga tools as the person enters adulthood, magamit to niya itong mga 18 treasures like makeup, shoes, wallets, and all those stuff. Pero, kung 50th birthday ka, tagaan kang treasure, sa kay gamit ani siguro? Siguro, as you age, as you grow a little older, magamit na po siguro ni mo din. Siguro na mga tagong haplas, no? Mga tagong haplas, maintenance medicine. Smile. Once again,